Hello, guys. As promised, I'm back with the uh, if statement, or you may say if condition. So, today we're gonna discuss how we use if condition in MS Excel. So, this is our table. I'll be using the same table which we had used earlier in our VLOOKUP video. So, let's suppose this is the commission, and this is like column L is the commission, and column M is the rating. So let's suppose I want to update if this commission, which is column D, is greater than 17,000. We want column J to highlight that the rating is excellent, and if it is less than 15,000, then it should show us the rating is satisfactory. Let's get started. So what we'll do, to write a formula, we start with equals to, then we put if, then we want to test our column D, which is commission. We'll reference it, and this should be greater than 17,000. What if it is greater than 17,000? Then it should show us excellent. We'll fix this value so that it doesn't change when we copy the formula onto other cells, right? And if it is not, then it should return satisfactory. When it is less than 17,000, it should show us satisfactory, right? Okay, let me write less than 17,000 here. Sorry for this. Now what we'll do, will either we can drag this, right, or we can copy the formula. So on dragging this, you can see that we have two ratings now, which is excellent and satisfactory. So this is how we do if statement or if condition in MS Excel. In the next video, we'll be discussing how we do conditional formatting, right? Till then, happy learning. And if you like my videos, please do subscribe and like my videos. Thank you. Happy learning.